Take out the device and all the accessories. Take out screws and install the white rack. Install the big white rack. Use screwdriver to screw up. Then install the small white rack on the right side of the device. Assemble the laser pass racks. There are 8 laser pass racks in total, 6 big ones and 2 small ones. There's a groove on each rack. Buckle up each rack in the corresponding groove in turn. You will hear a click when the rack is buckled. After racks are assembled, install them on the left side of the device, according to the correct groove position. There are 2 spare fuses to replace the broken ones in the device. Use a screwdriver to pry open the position of the fuse. When the fuse in the device is broken, replace it with the spare fuse. There are big and small white rubber rings for the spare ones on the filter. Replace with the broken ones if any. Remove the filter and you will see a small rubber ring on it. Replace it if you need. Unscrew the filter. You will see a big rubber ring. Replace it if you need. Insert filter in the correct direction to ensure the proper function. There's a black spare rubber ring for vacuum RF handle. When vacuum RF handle has no suction because of the rubber ring, replace it before operation. Connect the vacuum RF handle. Insert connecting wire to the socket. Connect the 40,000 handle. Insert the connecting wire and tighten it. Connect the IRF handle. Insert the connecting wire and tighten it. Connect the facial RF handle. Insert the connecting wire and tighten it. Connect the body RF handle, insert connecting wire and tighten it. Connect 8 laser pads in turn. The first 2 sockets in the left are for small laser pads, and the other 6 sockets are for big ones. Connect the cold hammer handle. Insert the connecting wire and tighten it. Connect the LED photon BIO handle. Insert the connecting wire and tighten it. You will hear a click when it is set. Put the connected handles and the rack in order. Connect the power cord. Check to ensure all the handles are installed and then turn on the device. Tap the 40,000. The time range is 0 to 60 minutes. It is advised to operate at a place for around 20 minutes. The energy range is 1 to 9. It is advised to be 3 to 6. Start from 3 for the first time of use. There are A and B modes. It is advised to select B mode for the first time of use. Start. Apply gel for ultrasound to the operation area evenly before the operation. Please note, ensure the customer carries no metal or jewelry on the body before operation. It cannot be applied to those with metal implanted or applied near the heart or bones. Tapped IF. The working time is advised to be around 15 minutes. The energy level is advised to be 2 to 8. There are A and B modes. It is advised to select B mode for the first time of use. Tap Start. Make sure the treatment area is evenly applied with RF special gel or eye essence before operation. Tap Facial RF. The working time is advised to be around 20 minutes. The energy level is advised to be 2 to 8. There are A and B modes. It is advised to select B mode for the first time of use. Tap Start. Make sure the treatment area is evenly applied with RF special gel or facial essence before operation. Tap Body RF. The working time is advised to be around 20 minutes. The energy level is advised to be 3 to 8. There are A and B modes. It is advised to select B mode for the first time of use. Tap Start. Make sure the treatment area is evenly applied with RF special gel before operation. Tap Vacuum RF. The working time is advised to be around 20 minutes. RF energy is advised to be 2 to 8. There are A and B modes. It is advised to select B mode for the first time of use. The section time range is 0 to 9. It is advised to be 2 to 7. The time is the section time in the section and release process. The longer the time is, the longer the section will be. Please note, the section time is advised to be longer than the release time. The release time range is 0 to 9. It is advised to be 2 to 5. The time is the release time in the section and the release process. The longer the time is, the longer the interval is. When the release time is 0, it is the constant section mode. Make sure the treatment area is evenly applied with essence oil before vacuum RF operation. Avoid anything dense to block the probe. Select section level according to your comfort level. Twist the counterclockwise to reduce the section. Twist the clockwise to increase it. Tap Cold Hammer. The working time is advised to be around 10 minutes. The energy level is advised to be 3 to 8. There are A mode, which is for cold, and B mode, which is for hot. Select according to your skin condition. Apply essence evenly on face before cold or hot hammer operation. It can also be used while applying a facial mask. Hot hammer is to open pores to help absorption, relax. Cold hammer is to calm skin, relieve redness, shrink pores, and lock moisture. Please note, do not hold the vent while operating hot hammer to avoid burning the skin. Tap laser pads. The working time is advised to be around 30 minutes. The energy level is advised to be 5 to 9. There are A, B, and C modes. It is advised to select B mode for the first time of use. Fix the laser pads at the treatment area with the strap while operating. No need to apply gel. Tap LED photon BIO. BIO working time is advised to be around 15 minutes. BIO energy level is advised to be 1 to 6. There are A, B, C, and D modes. It is advised to select A mode for the first time of use. Apply essence evenly on the treatment area, and it feels a little bit numbing while operation. The bigger the energy is, the stronger the feeling is. The button on the probe is to adjust LED lights and modes. Mode On button is to select modes and switch on. Click to turn LED photon function on. Click again to select LED lights according to your skin type. Wave is to adjust the flashing of a single LED light. It will flash while operation. If you need to change another LED light in flashing mode, click Mode to change to another color. Auto is to adjust the flashing of all LED lights. All lights will flash in turn while operation. It is suitable for regeneration, skin brightening, and relaxing. Please note, start LED and BIO at the same time to have a better effect. Off button is to turn off the LED photon function.